Okay, so basically we're asked to use the pin and string method to create an ellipse with major axis 200 millimeters and minor axis 75 millimeters. So before this video I prepared ahead and I made the string, which is the same length as 200 millimeters. So then let me pick up my pen and my ruler and mark the 200 millimeters now. So from that point to this point is 200 millimeters, and then my 75, which is always perpendicular to the major axis. This is the minor. 75 millimeters from there to there. Then, as you can see here in the bottom corner, it says to find the focal points I have to use the minor axis, and half the major axis swung from the top of the minor gives the two focal points. So let me just pick up my compass now. And I'm going to set it to half the major axis. So half the major axis swung from the minor gives the focal point. And doing the same side. So then I pick up my strings, put in my pins, and put the string on the inside. And then I simply extend the string and as smooth as you can draw the ellipse. It can slip off like that sometimes, it's just because the string goes underneath the pencil, but it should be sound. You still end up with a very smooth curve. So then, if I take out the pins and the string, you can see there the passes through my minor axis, passes through my major axis, and there's my focal point 1, which the pin 1 was in, focal point 2, which pin 2 was in. And then what I like to do is just take my time to darken in the curve, because it can often be hard enough to press down with the pencil when you're using the string. So you can see there now how smooth the ellipse came out, and it just links back to a few points. So one of the main points to take away from this is that the distance from F1 to any point on the curve to F2 is equal to the length of the major axis. This is why this whole pin and string method is accurate.